What really happens when you crack your knuckles? It's not your bones grinding or your joints wearing out. The sound is caused by gases dissolved in the synovial fluid, the fluid that lubricates your joints. When you pull or stretch a finger, the joint space rapidly expands, the pressure drops, and the gas comes out of solution, forming a bubble. This rapid change creates a popping sound. The process is called cavitation. Important note, if there is no pain, swelling, or a loss of motion, cracking your knuckles is considered harmless. To date, there is no scientific evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis or joint damage. So, that sound is just a physics, not a medical issue, and not a bad habit as long as it's painless.